is you ask your patient to lie on sideline position, and they should be lying on to the very edge. Now, let's say that upon springing and upon physical examination, we have localized a segment that this particular segment needs to be treated. So we will take contact with the spinous process. If we move from the iliac crest, this is the iliac crest, okay, and you go towards the spinous process, that is L4 spinous process, and one finger above or above these L4 is L3. Let's take L3 as contact. Now you see I'm putting my middle finger over the spinous process, okay, and this is the first step, that I should do the distal initiation. I should flex the hip until I feel movement under my finger. So I can reverse it, relax. So I can reverse it and I can, okay, at this level I felt that this is the optimum movement. Now I should drop the upper extremity like this. This whole segment is done and fixed. I should replace my finger with the other finger, and now I should care for the proximal initiation. Now he should extend the arm like this, and we don't do anything like that. And I should bend my knees. I should not arc my back, rather I should bend my knees, and I should try to hold it between my hand and chest or in my axilla, and then I should rotate until I feel the movement over there, and then his hand should be over here. Distal initiation, proximal initiation, both times. Step next is log roll. Log roll means keeping the same tension, same position. I should move all of his body in a single unit anteriorly, and I should stand like I am trying to take a step. So stance position. So here, this is already calculated, a log roll. So this is the hip contact, and this is the relaxed axillary contact. Taking all the slack and giving it rest. तो ये सेगमेंट में भी हो सकता है या मल्टीपल जैसा मैंने किया वैसे भी हो सकता है. सेम आप दूसरी साइड में करेंगे तो सेम प्रोसेस होगा. ठीक है.